Could you please restore my old pic of me when I was in grade 3, 1957?